To my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to take photos in MacBook Pro. So if you are using MacBook Pro or iMac or MacBook Air, so I will show you how to take photos on MacBook. So what you have to do here, here is in the screen, here you will see launchpad option. Okay, just click on it, and here you have to search photo booth. You can find here photo booth, or here you can search photo booth. Okay, so now click on it, and when you click on it, here you will see I have taken some photos. So now you have to click on this icon. So when you click on this icon, you will see like this your photos. Now just click on this one, and you will see that it will take the photo. Okay, so like this you can take photos on MacBook or MacBook Air. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.